Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Show-Me Tint, and I bought a piece of shit house.
What the fuck, Randy?
That's our line!
I didn't know we could cuss, that's awesome. So I'm here with Raven and Brittany. I got it backwards. I know these people too. It's fine. Raven and Brittany. Perfect! So they buy pieces of shit houses all the time. They've got a channel on YouTube. There's gonna be a link down below. Make sure you check it out. But they're gonna walk through this one and see if they can save it. If not, we're gonna smash it. Let's go on in, yeah. Come on in, girls. Pardon my big push. I didn't know this push was gonna be here. This is pretty nice. There might be a little bit of it.
Yeah, the floor though.
We're really hoping the wall's sturdy for the car. Now we're gonna crash into it. This room in here is it's very spacious. It's opened up.
I really like the open floor concept.
Yeah, you're totally safe standing under this roof. Everything's fine. Have you ever bought a house this nice, Brittany?
I don't think I've bought one this nice before ever. Ever.
This could be like a very nice honeymoon suite. It could be like a little hot tub out here, you know.
And think of it. I mean, at night the
Christmas tree
stars
already for Christmas.
I think it's a perfect plant room.
Somebody put it in the toilet.
Oh my god!
It's very nice. You know what I mean? It holds the tree up perfectly. Oh, the kitchen, yeah.
Oh, but the patriotic wallpaper in there though.
Yeah.
That's life-changing.
Oh my god, I really thought I was going in there. Okay. You can pretty much do anything with this. I mean, don't pass up on the deal.
Oh, these cabinets are beautiful, Randy.
You would save this and put it in the house.
I would save that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I would.
I watched that one video. I did. See it?
I would save the brick.
Wow.
Yeah, save the brick.
Wow.
Save the wood.
Oh,
You
rug
like wood.
included.
I
Rug
do.
included.
I love wood.
You love wood.
Specifically the hard type.
The very hard.
The hardwood,
long
yes.
woods.
Hardwood. Yeah.
Hard long woods.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have all those here, and it comes with all the free literature you like.
Oh. The case of the photo finish.
That's what we're gonna need today.
But this, Randy's obviously been here.
Yeah. No, I would need that. So now you've seen it, you think you want to save it?
Definitely not. I think it's perfect for you to drive the car through.
Let's drive a f***ing car through. I love it. We got a car over there all ready to go. Let's do it. Let me show you what's really going on out here, guys. We got this Kid for Kids room here. We got some neighbors. You can see them kind of like doing some toy drive over there, right? Look at all these cars. They're about to get reckless and wild. So make sure you tune in because it's going to get new. We've got a safety brick just in case. This is the safety brick. Now who's holding the brick? It's Wyatt, right? Nobody's holding the brick?
You're holding the brick.
Ah, f*** yeah.
We got. You're here
See,
standing.
I told you that would come in handy.
Yeah, the brick itself is going to be able to pull that rock off for sure.
We're just using it as a backup for the brick. It didn't take much for me to get that rock off the pedals.
You got a knife?
I just don't want that hook
Knife?
to come out and get somebody.
You do?
killed.
Nice. Let's go.
Regular hooligan stuff.
As long as
I
Pete
can
doesn't
have
look
a
at the
good
plug.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get some stuff set up. We're gonna take this car. We're gonna get ready to drive it through the house. We're hoping. Yeah. The last time I hollered, you were like, "No, don't yell." I was hyped, dude.
Weirdo.
You killed me, bro. You killed my vibe. Right. He's like, "Oh, don't yell. I'm hyped." Yeah. So
Why are you being so loud?
right, calm down. So we've lost the doors. Drew lost the doors to the car.
Dude, I didn't. Someone
found them
stole the
outside of
door.
He tried to say somebody stole the doors, but I saw him take the doors off. Everybody, let's just say a little prayer. We're gonna go through the.
No, dude, we have so many safety precautions right now.
We have a chain and a brick.
No, dude, there's a cable with a chain holding it to the tree.
I know. John.
The subframe will rip out of that car before it goes through. It is a very good doctor box.
Yeah. We'll be right back, guys. We'll get some stuff set up. Get ready for the show. Don't miss it. Perfect. Guys, all right. So we're here. We're at the Skid for Kid event, and we're about to run a car through the house. We're hoping we just park it gently in the house. Some people think it's going to fly all the way through the house. It's getting wild. We're having fun. We're going to drive this car through the house. Hopefully it fucking is cool and nothing happens. Nobody's heads get cut off. That'd be terrible. So a little more than our normal stuff we're doing. We got Drew back here getting ready. Drag it out. That was pretty cool. Nobody got hurt. Nobody died. Yeah, baby. So guys, now we got to dig the car out. We might run it through one more time. We don't know what's going to happen. But yeah, now we got to, and I got to demo it. The city's wanted me to tear it down, so we thought we'd just run a car through it first, you know, and we do something cool. So make sure you check it out. Keep watching. See what's happening. Like and subscribe. Check it out. Show-Me Tint rules. Drew, get in there.
Drew, get in the car.
Drive the car, dude.
No, dude, there's a pole sticking out
It's
of the car
okay.
already.
That could have been you.
Yeah.
We're going round 2. We're going to run the car back through the house and see what happens. Hopefully,
It's a little bit further this time.
hopefully it's a little farther, but
I mean, we have to keep.
I like her energy. On the ground. Watch your head. Don't get cut off. Oh!
Much better.
Yeah! That was rock and roll. Yeah. What do you think? 4x4 in the Buick. Going through the house. I think we got the chimney that time. Yeah. I don't know how many more turns she got in her, guys.
Hey, time to go to the right side of the fireplace.
Let's try to get one more run out of her. One more run, we'll be right back, guys. Make sure you keep watching. Third time. The car has no oil pan. We're hoping to launch it one more time. We're a little further back than we've been. We've been err on the side of caution. We're hoping that the chain don't break. Everybody stays safe. That's our goal right now. Here we go.
Hell yeah!
Totally missed the house. Went to the side. Ramped off the concrete culvert. Nobody got hurt. That could have been super bad.
That took out our truck.
That thing out this truck.
This is our truck.
Oh my God. Yeah. Holy shit. I think we're good now. Now we're just gonna practice with the car. Everybody keep punching, kicking. Jumped this concrete median. Did not stop. It was wild. Missed that truck. Missed these people. Look at jump this thing and kept going. Oh, that would have hit. Oh shit.
This kind of went airborne off of that, and then clipped the bits.
Holy shit. Then it got hella close to that.
It about took it out.
Oh my God.
That was
Holy shit. Holy shit. That was wild. I definitely ended the show good with what I would say as far as the crashing in the house. We're probably gonna do a bunch of burnouts, pop some tires, get wild. Motorcycles doing wheelies, doing sparks and stuff. It's wild over here. We're not just doing regular stuff. So this Show-Me Skids event really popped off, and I'm thankful nobody got hurt. And we're all just having a good time, having fun. So keep checking it out. We're gonna see if we get wild with some cars. Keep tuning in. Check it out.